What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys seen from the other videos, if you haven't, go check them out. They're all in the playlist 2022 Harley Davidson Road Glide. All these videos on the new bike are all going to be in that playlist. Every single upgrade is going to be in that playlist. So definitely go check that out after you're done with this video. Hope everyone is doing well. Thanks for tuning in again. If you guys didn't see, just to give you a little recap, we got rid of the light that was underneath the fender. Now you can see the tire really, really well. We eliminated that, put on the different filler panels, and we also installed all in black, got rid of the chrome right there. We saved a couple more pounds. I have to log all that in, but we installed the Zero 3D black latitude tail light, which is Bluetooth. You can control how you want the turn signals to operate. It's really cool. And as well as the Zero 3D curved license plate bracket in black. Also the bag blades. Let me just show you guys how all that looks again. That is looking really good. Got all the front lights installed. Everything is looking really good. Love how it's coming out so far. Today's video is going to be pretty cool because the last video I talked about the Apple CarPlay adapter, 15 bucks. Links will be down below in the description. Definitely check that out. If you guys want Apple CarPlay, it's only like $15, $13, $14 on Amazon, and you just plug that in. You could check that out. I think it was like 2 videos ago. You just plug that in. You got to take your front fairing off. You plug that in, you have Apple CarPlay. But here was the biggest issue. The big issue was when I had my phone on the bars, I always had to lift this up, obviously, and install the USB wire with the lightning cable to plug my phone in so that our Apple CarPlay would work. Well, that was a big problem. It might not be a problem if you're just riding around town, but for example, when we did 5,200 miles from New Jersey to Sturgis and back, that wire just coming out of the cubby is a real big pain in the ass. It's dangling, and eventually what happens is that cable gets damaged at the ends and then you have to replace it. Also, there's a problem when it's raining. Rain got inside a couple times and then the phone actually shut off. It would not charge anymore. And then also you can't use the cubby because the wires are coming out of it. It's just a big pain in the ass. Also, the cubby stays open a little bit because of that wire. I didn't want that anymore. So I seen it on another bike, and what we're going to do today is something really cool, and both of these items are going to be down below in the video description. Right here I have Carlin kit. It is a USB Bluetooth module. So let me just explain this to you guys so you guys understand. So basically when you have your phone charging here, I used to have it here, I used to have the wire coming up charging the phone. And if you want Apple CarPlay on the screen, you have to have the cable from the dongle inside the cubby plugged in to your phone. We want to eliminate that. I'm still waiting on the bar set to come in. Should be here shortly. Don't want to tell you guys what it is yet, but it's going to be really, really trick. I want to eliminate that wire totally. So what I use on my phone is the quad lock case. And another reason why I use it, because I have it in my Audi, I have it in my pickup truck, I have it in all my vehicles. And there's a case that you just put on your phone. Literally, you just put it on, lock it, and everything is wireless charging. So that's what I'm going to be using on the new bar setup. I'm going to have a quad lock wireless phone charger. Super easy, just put it on, push it and click it, and it will never ever come off. It is really, really good. And it's very simple. You don't have to fumble with 2 hands. You just basically, when you want to take it off, you just push it, turn it, and it comes off. So having said that, when I have the wireless charger on the bars, I'm going to run a wire down the bars. I'm going to actually take that wire and mount it, hardwire it straight to the bike. So when I have power, key power on, I'm going to be able to charge my phone. No wires in the cubby. Well, then you may ask, well, how is the Apple CarPlay going to work? That's where this piece comes in, okay? I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is. And after you're done with this video, if you wanna see, because I talked about how to remove the wire, the USB-C wire from the amp and back it all out, just check out those videos. But we're going to plug this piece into that dongle that used to be in the cubby, which we pulled out, and now that wire is here. This dongle used to be in the cubby. So now it's here. We're going to take that Carlin USB Bluetooth module, we're going to plug it into here, and then we're going to stow it inside of the compartment. So now what happens is when I hop on the bike, all I do is just hook my phone up with the quad lock. It is wireless charging, and it automatically is going to hook up to the Bluetooth module that's on the bike, the Carlin module that I just showed you guys, and I'm going to have Bluetooth. There is no need to hook up that wire from the cubby. That was a big pain in the ass, but we are going to install the USB Bluetooth module now. Then I'm gonna show you guys, we're gonna wrap the front of the bike up. We're gonna finish it off with a beautiful Clockworks windshield. So stay tuned if you guys are new to this channel, guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Thank you for the support, and let's get on with it. So here is the Carlin kit USB Bluetooth module. So this has a USB and a USB-C, but they're both actually females. So what we have to do is take this end and we're going to plug it into there. And this male end, we are going to plug it into the female end right here on the bike. I'm going to do that now. And then I'm going to actually run some tape over the connections just in case of vibration or anything. So this way this doesn't come apart. And then I'm just going to tuck it right into there. Got it all connected. Just use some electrical tape. Make sure those connections are going to be secure. Put a little foam wrapping on it so this way it doesn't knock around when I'm riding, so it's nice and quiet. And just tuck the wires into this kind of area right here. A lot of room. All right, put the power onto the bike. Now I'm gonna go into Bluetooth. Says right there, use a Bluetooth connection. Have it right here, HD DF1E. Says use CarPlay. Awesome. And now I have Apple CarPlay, my music, the phone, everything, but I do not have to connect a wire to that dongle that used to be in the cubby, and that was my main thing. That's what I didn't want to have, is a wire running out of that cubby into the phone while you're riding. I didn't want that. I just wanted really nice and clean. So now if I go to Waze, I use Waze, and if I just click on a place, boom, I have it up on the screen. I want to use my phone, but I do not want to be looking down and to the left or to the right, wherever the phone is, while I'm riding. I want to be able to look up at the screen, get my directions, change my music, answer a phone call. Now when I mount the quad lock wireless charger, all I got to do, if you guys could see, this is a quad lock case. I just click it on and that's it. And then my phone's charging with no wires whatsoever connected to the phone. I have everything up on the screen. It is definitely going to make life on long trips a lot more easier. Anything you could do to make your life easier on a long trip is definitely well worth it, in my opinion. Let me go grab the windshield. I'll show you guys what we're going to use. First, I'm going to put the top panel on, and then I will install the Clockworks windshield, show you guys what I have. We'll talk about it, and then also I have the Clockworks windshield trim that is going to go on it as well with the nice Clockworks logo. Okay, put that on. Make sure the vent door opens and closes. Everything is good. And now you can see the nice vent trim light. Sweet. Okay, here we go. 9-inch Sport Flare windshield, dark smoke. We have the Clockworks windshield trim with the logo in black, that is going to look sick. Clockworks is actually sending me, they don't have it in stock right now, but they're actually sending me an 11-inch Sport Flare, which just came actually on the market. I believe it just came out. They're actually sending me that one as well. So in the future, I'm definitely going to be doing a comparison. This windshield is great. I thought I had the 14 Sport Flare before, but it was a little too tall. Really love the 9-inch. I think the 11, I think it's going to probably be the one, but we'll see. Once I get that, I'll definitely do a comparison video for you guys. It's definitely gonna give us some more wind protection. This one definitely gives you very good wind protection, but it also just looks killer on the bike. So let me go ahead and install it. I'll install the windshield trim as well, and we'll go over the looks of this windshield. But let me tell you, I think by far Clockworks is on the money with their windshields. Oh man, nothing like a nice windshield just to wrap the bike up, huh? Look at this thing. That trim just really finishes it off nice. Nine-inch Clockworks Sport Flare. So like I said, they do have an 11 that'll probably come to right about there. I'm really looking forward to trying that one out. But the bike is looking, let me slap on some lights here. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. That looks really good. And the 9-inch, it just gives it like a really nice looking profile also from the side, with giving you just the right amount of wind protection. I had the 9-inch Sport Flare on Silverback and no issues, zero issues, raining, wind. Pretty much the wind just goes right over your head. This looks really, really good. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think. 9-inch Sport Flare Clockworks windshield. Windshield trim, USB, Bluetooth adapter. Let me know what you guys think of everything. The next video is gonna be really interesting. Not only are we gonna be shaving some weight off the bike, we're going to be getting a different look and some performance actually out of the suspension. I think in the next couple days, I'm gonna take her for a ride because I definitely got to slap some miles on the bike. It's only got 12 miles on it. Unbelievably so, but I gotta put at least probably about 1,000. I gotta just break it in a little bit, put some miles on it before Dave over at JD Cycle Works, because parts are rolling in and soon he's going to have everything we need for the engine, for the suspension, for the bar setup, and we're gonna be going over there to do some really, really cool videos because a lot of the parts are going to be totally different than what I had on Silverback. Gotta put some miles on it just to break it in a little bit, make sure nothing is wrong. So hopefully if anything does happen, it's going to happen now and not later since I still have warranty, because once it goes to Dave, warranty is bagone. So let me know what you guys think. Hit me up in the comments and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.